Hi guys, Garth here. So today we're going to have a look at, I would use it as a handstand specific exercise, but you can use it before any kind of training that you might sort of need your hands warmed up for, because it is an exercise that focuses primarily on the joints in your hands, so the knuckles and things like that. It's called finger waves, and this is how it goes. Now, because most people they'll warm up the wrists and everything absolutely fine, but they do forget that these are also joints that need warmed up. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to start with our hands out by your sides, elbows blunt at 90 degrees, and you're just going to, under tension, try and open your hands into as big an extension as possible, and then straight, bring them back in, close, and curl them around. And again, under tension, open up as wide as possible, and extend and stretch them out as much as possible, and then close them back in. So you will feel this in your forearms more than in them joints themselves. That's it. And then close back in. So we're going to aim for about 5 or 6 of those. Then once you've done that, you're going to reverse it. So you're going to go curled hands, and then you're going to straighten out and open under tension as wide as you possibly can, and then curl them back in and open them out and curl them back in. So again, you should feel your forearms burning if you're doing this correctly. Curl them back in, and at the end you'll want to give them a little shake out, a little wiggle. So that's great exercise that I would use a lot of the time. Before I would start hand balancing, I would throw it in along with my wrist and elbow warm-ups and things like that. But you can use it for anything. Some people find, because it warms up the forearms as well a little bit, that they use it before doing toes to bar, things like that. So give it a go and see how it goes. Let me know what you think.